In today's video, I am going to teach you how to speed up audio in Canva. By the end, you'll know exactly how to make a voiceover or music track play faster. Using Canva's built-in playback controls and export it so the faster audio is baked right into your final video. First, open your design in Canva. This can be an existing project or a new one. At the bottom of the editor you'll see the timeline, which is where your visuals and audio live and line up. If your project has multiple scenes, you'll make changes in the specific scene where you want the audio to speed up. Next, upload your audio file to Canva and drag it onto the timeline. Use the Uploads panel to bring in your file from your computer. Then drop it directly under the scene so it snaps into place. You'll see the waveform appear, and you can drag the ends if you want to trim it to fit your scene lengths. Keep in mind, when we change speed later, the duration of the audio will change accordingly. Now add a video clip or a blank colored background to the scene. This part matters because Canva's speed control is applied to the visual layer. If you don't have footage, a simple solid color or gradient background works great. Place it on the canvas so it fills the scene and make sure it appears as the main video track above the audio on the timeline. Select the video on your timeline. Click directly on the clip or background so it's highlighted. You'll know it's selected when the top toolbar shows options specific to video. Click the playback button on the toolbar. This opens Canva's speed control for the selected video layer. Because your audio is attached to the same scene, it will follow the speed of the video. Adjust the speed slider to make it faster. Up to 2 times. Slide gently to find the pacing you want. 1.25x or 1.5x often sounds natural for voice, while 2 times can work well for quick demos or music. As you speed it up, the entire scene shortens and the audio speeds along with it. Listen closely and fine. Tune the slider until it feels right for your content. When you are happy, click Share, then download as MP4. MP4 includes both the visual and the sped up audio so everything stays in sync. Choose the pages or scene you want. Confirm MP4 as the file type and download. Canva will render your video, and your faster audio will be ready to share wherever you need it. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.